We're starting a new series, guys. Timber tools. How two guys tests and beats up everything that we actually do. Some guys actually send their stuff to us first to see if it's actually going to be able to last. So we're going to go over a bunch of the different tools that we have. But today we thought it would be, for the first series, something fun just to show you the complete outtake of what we did for my friend's jigs, his chisels, his sheets, and even my favorite.
Yeah.
So stick with us. No edits. Straight up what we shot. So you get I feel like that, you know, some of our
The light.
steps and okay, the guys here at Two Guys, always checking out new tools, always. And the actual best tool I found this year that I've now included on my belt as an everyday item is this marking pencil from my friends over at Star Hill Timber Works. They make several jigs and they actually use this textured holes text, which is actually what this knife is held in for. They make guards for your chisels and things like that. But this tool is now part of my everyday. Now, if you want to make a seriously ridiculous, look at that line there, okay? Now I'm going to give you one with my pencil. If you guys are finished carpenters, now you're going to see, I got a fat line, little line. You want to be precise? This thing is for you, okay? It is made of high carbon steel, 25-degree bevels. It's basically indestructible. And if this is not its only use, that's why I bring it, because I always have. Listen, you want to sharpen off your pencils? And one of the best uses I found for this thing is your timber framing. You need to do a clean, quick chisel something. This thing will do it for you. I don't got to run around looking for my big chisel. We're doing fine work, so it works for there. Sharpen your pencils. Makes the most ridiculously accurate marks. My friends at Star Hill Timber Works. Check them out. Get yourself some.
That thing would come in handy in prison.
Now, Jay did remind me when we first got this unit. He thought it was from the Cell Block C when he spent time down there in Tucson. It's a perfect prison shank. Me, I use it as a marking tool. I really, we didn't get one for Jay just because of his past history, but marking tool, chisel, knife. My friends, I guess, prison shank if need be. Sometimes these guys ain't working quick enough. A little gash in the Achilles tendon, get them moving.
Oh, jeez.
Guys, Star Hill Timber Works. These carbon textures, holes text. They're blade protectors. It's what my sheath is made out of, custom made for my new marking cable. These don't work out like leather. I mean, after a while, leather's gonna cut. These things fit perfectly. He makes them for all style chisels. Make sure, check out Star Hill Timber Works. They got a bunch of stuff that timber framers need and want, and the products are awesome.
Oh, man. That's good stuff.
Our friends over at Star Hill Timber Works, they don't just make the marking knife, they make essential jigs that every timber framer uses. And I actually got him to sell these. He said he only actually uses them when he gives them away to his students in his school. But guys, if you don't have these are exactly what's needed to do timber framing. You don't pull out your ruler. All your measurements are here. Once you learn it, this is your mortise, your tenon gauge, where your holes are going to get lined out, how you center things. This guy has thought about everything you need to actually timber frame, and that's what he teaches in his school. So, guys, check them out. I'm awaiting the new jig. He told me that's just coming off the press. I can't wait to buy it. It's something really new. So check them out. Star Hill Timber Works. Our friends over at Star Hill Timber Works make the most awesome carbon textured holes text that actually guard each one of your chisels. I actually bought the whole set from him. Corner chisels, your 2-inch chisel, your 1.5 inch. They custom make them for many different style chisels. Mine worked out perfect for me. So now you got to save yourself, make sure it's sharp, and this way you're protected, you're not going to get hurt, and your plastic's just going to stay sharp. It's not going to wear out like leather. It's beautiful, custom fit. Not only their chisels, but their marking knife sheaths. I mean, it's so tight, ridiculously fitting. I wear this thing every day. Check them out, Star Hill Timber Works.
Check it out.
So if you guys have actually made it this far, you can actually see that Jason and I have fun what we're doing. That's really the only purpose for us, and actually maybe to let you know about all the good things that we can actually get. Usually we can get you a discount too, which is going to help. So a lot of guys are always asking where we get our tools. So we're going to give you the whole beat up test of what we actually do, what I got to replace. But hopefully you saw how good a time that we're having. Thanks guys for watching.